Hi and welcome. Today we're going to have a look at how to use the Just For You Online UK Silicone Putty. Incredible stuff, so much potential. It comes with these little spoons. You want to measure out equal quantities of both. So it basically looks about the same amount is perfectly fine. You don't have to particularly weigh it. Completely mix it, just basically give it a good squeeze. This bit's quite therapeutic anyway. Mix it all in, make sure all the colours are completely mixed, then make your mould shape. You can also use this to mould around something you already have to make an imprint, to also pour resin in to make a different kind of object. But for now we're just going to make a simple coaster, and for this I'm using a silicone mould underneath and just making sure that the putty has been suitably pushed down against the mould so that there'll be no leaks, and making it the shape that I want it to be, leaving it to set, and we're good to go. Here I'm using the Just For You inks and the deep cast, separating the resin out into suitable cups and mixing in my colours, ready for the pour. These inks are just so pretty. There's so many really gorgeous colours, and to me I think they look like jewels when they're mixed. Definitely worth having a little look at. In fact, if you want to try anything from Just For You, if you use code JUST15, that should give you 15% off. It's definitely worth it and helps you stock up on lots more goodies. So I'm just popping in all the colours, then I'm going to finish it with a clear, and I'm going to add the white Opal Flakes from Just For You Online UK. They are just so beautiful and sparkly. Then I'll leave that to cure, and then we'll demould. Now I can use this silicone putty, I can leave that mould there, and I can use that repeatedly. So that's what I'm going to do. I love how this coaster turned out and how you can make something unique. You can make it in your own shape. You could do a heart. You could do absolutely anything you want to do with this putty. I love the depth it's created as well. So now I'm going to add a little bit of extra. I'm going to use the Resin Edges pens. Again, you've guessed it, from Just For You Online UK. Really are fantastic products though. So as you can see, I just pushed that pen down onto the paper to bring the ink to the nib. And I'm going to give it a couple of coats, leaving it to dry in between each coat, and then here we have it, a completely unique coaster. You can make any shape. It's a really good fun product to use. All the products I've used today are from Just For You Online UK. I highly recommend them. Some of the best products we've ever tried, and we've tried a few. I hope this has been in some way helpful, and that you have a little go yourself, and if you do, you show us what you've made.